Hello and welcome back. In this episode, we're going to fix a lot of the problems that I had before. It has to do with changing the sizes. So currently, our cat moves at 45 steps. And when he touches the water, he doesn't die, travels on the log. But when he's touching both logs, he's sort of torn between. It's torn in half. We're going to fix all that. We're going to fix that by changing the size around and making it look more like the traditional 1981 Frogger version, which means we're going to add some more rows in the cars and maybe some more rows of logs, and also give us this space at the top here for like a goal at the end. So let's get to it. The biggest problem is our cat is too big. So I'm going to make it 35% instead, which makes him smaller. Before recording this video, I already reduced the size of this purple section. So yeah, he just squeezes it in there. And this 45 works really well, but I'm also going to change these numbers, the numbers that just work better. So the bottom, as we've talked about in previous videos, the center of the screen here is a 0, and down here is negative 180 on the y-axis, and up there is positive 180. So 180 plus 180 gives us the 360 degrees, 360 pixels. And so instead of 45, I'm going to change these to 36, which gives us like 10 jumps, if you will, to get to the top. All right. So the reason I'm doing that is I can change and sort of have 10 rows along here where the cat will be inside each of those. So as you see here, we have this safe zone here. We'll have one on the road. If I can do it without the car moving here. Stop, cars, stop. Okay, so we'll have 1 here, 2 here, 3 here, 4 here on the road. So instead of having 2 spots for the cars, we'll have 4 spots for the cars, and we'll have 1 up here safe, and then in the water we'll have 1. Ugh. Stop it! There, I'm breaking everything here. So we'll have 1, 2, 3 in the water, and then 1 safe zone. All right. So that's where we'll be after we build all these pieces. Most of this can be done by just duplicating. So we're just going to restructure all these pieces. I should have left all those disconnected, but whatever. I can do it this way. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to restructure, resize this pink line, this purple line right here. Just bring it down so it's just on top of the cat's ears. If when you move your purple line, or whatever line yours or color yours is, if you can't see it because this blue line is actually over top, see if I drag this blue one down, it's behind the purple. You just need to change what's in the front and what's in the back. So originally this blue line here would change. Anyway, this purple line, I've already set to the front here. So if I put it to the back, you can see when I adjust the blue, here. See, my cat died because I brought the blue back down on top of him. Stop it. So now I've got my cat sitting there. Let's just build this thing. Stop talking. Okay, so adjust it so it fits just on top of the cat. Okay, bring that to the front. Boop. Okay, now my cat should. This is for the blooper reel, everybody. Okay, so we've got that. So the cat stands inside this purple. The purple is on the front layer, so that if I accidentally bring it down. All right, so that's that part. The next part is really just changing the numbers on these and changing the sizes on the cars. So it's going to be that big right there, like that. So I'm going to go to the code here and make the car a little smaller. Going to bring it down a little lower. Just guessing again. That's pretty good. Changing that's 274. So let's make 273. Right. Forgot to change that one. That's pretty good. Did I miss it? Yep. Okay, so that car's only going to hit me if I'm in that spot there. That one's pretty good. Yeah, pretty good. Let's do the same thing for this, but we'll bring this one down so it's right here. Just make it 100% to make it small, because remember from previous episodes, that was too big. So this one's negative 120, so I'm just going to make it like negative 100. Negative 100. And it sticks, oh, it's going to be too low. So it sticks at negative 250, and it's never going to be less than negative 250, so 249. Boop. So it's just too low, slightly too low. So let's make it negative 90 and negative 90. And so he's missed there, but he is hit here. He's not going to do it. So like that. Yeah. All right. So I'm not going to show you the steps to fixing the rest of this, but when you come back for the next episode, it will all be fixed. I'm simply going to do the skills that we learned in previous videos. I'm going to make 2 more sprites, put them for here and here. I'm going to add another log. Maybe I'll make a turtle. Who knows? For the next video, this will all be fixed. See you there.